I decided to do another hack with my mirror in the living room. I wanted to do the ball edge mirror. So I went to Hobby Lobby, got some more wooden balls with the flat bottoms. And the mirror, as you can see here on the wall, is I don't know what color that is, or what stained color that is. So I decided to take one ball and use some furniture polish that I had from a long time ago, some furniture oil, and rub it on this ball, and it actually matches the mirror. So what I'm going to do is take a bunch of them, and I'm putting them in this bag, Ziploc bag, and I'm just going to pour the oil all over it and just, let it saturate the balls. I wasn't sure if I would have enough wooden balls to go around the mirror, so I went back to Hobby Lobby and bought some extras. And what you see I'm doing here now is just dumping them all into the Ziploc bag, and then I'm just going to pour the oil all over it and soak them. Here's the mirror again, and what I'm trying to decide if I want to do this with it hanging on the wall, or should I lay it down on the table. I felt it would be much easier for me to just do it while it was on the wall. I'm using these flat balls with a flat bottom. I got the first one up. You have to make sure you put enough glue on there. And I'm putting it to the edge of the mirror. Not, this is a thick mirror, so I'm just putting it around the edge. Now I have to figure out if I have enough balls to go all the way around. And I got to figure out the distance between the balls to make sure I have enough. So I'm going to do down at the bottom. Just work my way in. All right. So straight at the bottom, right here. Now I should have picked a darker one. I should, a darker color. While that's drying, I'm going to go side to side. I'm going this way. Now this one matches the mirror perfectly. I've removed some from here. The good thing about this, if it doesn't look right, you can pop it off, pull the glue off, and just redo it. So I think I can get 1, 2, 3 maybe, or maybe 4. Let's see. I think it turned out okay. And this is a mirror I purchased from Target. And I got the beads from Hobby Lobby down the street. And made my own. I did one in the bedroom a while back in black. And I still have enough left over, but I'm not just going to overdo it. I'm looking at that mirror, but no, I'm not going to do that. This one and the one in the bedroom is enough. This is the one I did a while back using my black mirror. I took it outside. I did a video on this. And these are smaller beads. or wooden balls. This here is a hack IKEA light fixture, and the shade is actually an IKEA basket that I cut a hole in and screwed it in from the bottom, and then I used one of those battery operated remote control light bulbs because I didn't have a ceiling light fixture, so now I have one. I want to paint that trim on the picture ledge black to match that over there. Is this something about it was bugging me, even though I was trying to match my TV stand, but I just felt the black would look better. So of course I pulled out my black paint and decided to change the color. It is Sherwin Iron Ore. I like that particular stain color, paint color.